All right, you've had some time to practice the stacked method of multi-digit multiplication. And now you haven't probably had to come in contact with double digit by double digit. We're going to investigate that today because it will come up, of course. I showed you what it looked like. We've done these kind of problems using an open area model. And again, nice tool to keep everything organized and be able to see the values that you're working with. With the stacked, it's going to look a lot the same as when there's just a single digit by double digit. We're going to start just the same. 3 groups of 6. 3 groups of 6 is 18. And then 3 groups of 40. Remember, this is also an option to write the values here. If you find yourself making mistakes, just go ahead and write down. Take that extra 3 seconds to write down the values here so you won't get confused. That's 120. And I'm finished with that. I've really, we're adding up 13 groups of this number, right? I've already added 3 of that number, 3 groups of 46, right? And now I have to include 10 more groups of 46. So how would that look? Well, 10 times 6 is what? 10 groups of 6 is 60. Line it up. And then 10 groups of 40, 10 groups of 40 is 400. I want to make sure my columns are lined up. That's going to be super important. 8, 9, 598. And I get the same product as I did here. And you'll also see that each one of these 4 partial products also showed up when I did the open area model. So when you're doing double digit, just pretend that one is not there. Just pretend it's 3 groups of 46. And then 10 more groups of 46, right? Because 13 groups of 46 is 3 groups of 46 and 10 more groups of 46. So that's the way to keep double digit ones organized. So we'll practice that a little bit now too.